How to save Instagram stories with music. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this Guide Studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can save Instagram stories with music to your gallery. Super easy, so let's get started. Well, so now to do that, simply go and open up the Instagram from a device, and from the home page, go and tap on this message icon at the top right. And now once you're here inside the chat section, select any person that you want. So I'm going to select a person from here, and simply go and tap on this camera icon at the bottom left, and tap on this gallery icon here and select a photo, for example. So let's say I'm going to select this photo and tap on this sticker icon at the very top, and tap on music and select the music that you want. And once you select the music, go ahead and select this option, allow replay. You just need to enable this one and go ahead and tap on send. And once you've sent the story, you just need to press and hold this one and tap on save, and the story with the music will be saved to your gallery. So now if I go to the gallery here, you'll get to see the story has been saved with the music here. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.